So in Themify apps, there are right now a lot of Christmas wallpapers, and you can just discover an array of cozy Christmas wallpapers and feel the holiday warmth and joy with every glance at your phone. So you can just open it up, and then you just can have it here. As that's what it is. It's quite a popular app, and then you can just see Christmas themes and then just explore, and you have all the themes here, like the wallpaper, the icons, and the widgets. A lot of them are premium, but for example this one is free, and then you can just like it, you can customize. You can see customizer, wallpapers, icons, widgets. You just filter it out, all the different wallpapers, icons, all the different widgets you like. So yeah, just if you want to try out the the wallpapers here in this app, that's what you can do.